In international law, the Security Council, primarily within the United Nations framework, is the body with the primary responsibility for maintaining international peace and security. It has the power to investigate disputes, recommend solutions, impose sanctions, and even authorize military action when necessary to prevent or stop threats to peace, with its decisions being binding on all member states of the UN. Key points about the Security Council. 1. Mandate. Under the UN Charter, the Security Council is tasked with determining the existence of threats to peace, breaches of peace, or acts of aggression, and taking appropriate actions to maintain or restore international security. 2. Composition. The Security Council consists of 15 members, 5 permanent members, China, France, Russia, United Kingdom, and United States, with veto power, and 10 non-permanent members elected for 2-year terms. 3. Decision-making. To pass a resolution, at least 9 affirmative votes are required, with no vetoes from the permanent members. And 4. Actions it can take. Peaceful measures. Investigating disputes, recommending peaceful settlements, sending peacekeeping missions. Coercive measures. Imposing economic sanctions, travel bans, arms embargoes. Military action. Authorizing the use of force against an aggressor state. Important aspects of the Security Council in international law. 1. Binding nature of decisions. Unlike other UN bodies, Security Council resolutions are legally binding on all member states. 2. Chapter 7 of the UN Charter. This chapter specifically outlines the Security Council's powers to take action in response to threats to the peace, including the use of force. And 3. Criticisms. Concerns exist regarding the potential for abuse of power by permanent members due to their veto power, and the challenges in achieving consensus on complex international issues. The United Nations Security Council, UNSC, has several powers to maintain international peace and security, including 1. Determining threats. The UNSC determines if there is a threat to peace or an act of aggression. 2. Recommending peaceful solutions. The UNSC recommends that parties to a dispute settle it peacefully. 3. Imposing sanctions. The UNSC can impose economic sanctions or other measures to prevent or stop aggression. 4. Authorizing military action. The UNSC can authorize the use of force to maintain or restore international peace and security. 5. Establishing peacekeeping operations. The UNSC can establish peacekeeping operations. 6. Investigating disputes. The UNSC can investigate disputes or situations that could lead to international friction. 7. Formulating plans. The UNSC can formulate plans to regulate armaments. 8. Recommending new members. The UNSC recommends new members to the General Assembly. And 9. Approving charter changes. The UNSC approves changes to the UN Charter. The UNSC is one of the 6 main organs of the United Nations. It has 15 members, each with 1 vote. All member states are required to comply with the UNSC decisions. The Security Council structure. The UNSC has 5 permanent members: the United States, China, France, Russia, and the United Kingdom. These 5 countries are known as the P5. The UNSC also has 10 elected members who serve 2-year terms. Elected members do not have veto power.